So, hey guys, I'm Indrajit, a young aspiring entrepreneur and a motivational speaker, and you're listening to the Student Being Show. So, guys, today's in this episode of TSB Show, we again have a dynamic man and a multi-talented student from Bihar named Mr. Anshu Kumar. So, first of all, a very big welcome to come on our show, Mr. Anshu Kumar.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Due to many reasons, finally we are meeting each other after a long time. It's a privilege for me that today I am talking to you on this auspicious occasion of National Youth Day. In India, National Youth Day is celebrated every year on 12th January. The great Indian philosopher Swami Vivekananda was born on this day. Swami Vivekananda was a saint and a true patriot of India. The teachings of Swami Vivekananda are the greatest philosophical asset of the country. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Anshu Kumar, a dynamic and a multi-talented young man.
Thank you very much, Indrajit Das, for inviting me on your this beautiful platform. It's my pleasure to have a company with you. First of all, my dear friends, today is the birth anniversary of the greatest leader of ever, Swami Vivekananda. And today is the day dedicated to youth of our nation. So first of all, from my side, a very warm, happy National Youth Day to each and every youngsters of my nation. Yes?
Yes, brother, this is our day. I have some questions with you today in this episode of TSB Show.
Yes, it's my honor, please.
So my first question is tell us something about the day, the National Youth Day.
Yes, this is our day. This is the day dedicated to each and every one of us, whether they are a science student, a sport student, an art student, or a dreamer of dreams. This is for all. And the main objective of this day is to accumulate all the talents, all the powers together from every field for the welfare of the nation. Yes?
Okay, my another question is that what is the main motto of youth, or what is the prime work for any youngster for their nation?
Yes, a very nice question. Listen, my dear friends. We are born not just for the existence. We are born to live. Everyone has many kinds of dreams. But remember one thing. If you will dedicate your life for your work, for your country, then believe me, you will get everything which you wish to be. So put your all best efforts for your distinct field, and don't move your steps for the reward. Move yourself, your steps for the contribution, for your contribution, for the nation. If you will contribute, you will get all your dreams. And prime work for any youngsters is working for their nation. And the main theme or the main motto of my life is as always to do good for mankind, the nation. That's all I want. Yes?
Yes, this was a great message for our youngsters. Now I would like to ask you another question, that is, what is the potential of a youth from your point of view, Mr. Anshu Kumar?
Yes, if you want to know the future of any nation, then children of that very country. So likewise, youth is the only one which can determine the future of one's nation. And remember one thing, my dear friends, only we the youths, the youngsters, have the potential, have that kind of potential to make impossible tasks as possible. There is limitless working capacity in our youths, in the youngsters. There is no any limit for us. You are limited only up to you want to be limited. So expand your limits daily. According to my perspective, there is one more powerful than youth. There is no one more powerful than youth except Almighty God. Some patience, a great dedication, and a proper guidance will lead to a bright and prosperous future. And remember, if you are searching for that person who will change your life, take a look in the mirror. You will find the answer. Yes.
Okay, so brother, now at the end of the TSB show, give some memorable message to our youth, to the youngster. Give some your opinion or views.
Yes, I want to add some that according to Vedas, The biggest loss, the biggest tragedy of life, the biggest ruin in life is that moment which you did not utilize judiciously, that moment which you wasted away. So now just think about all those wasteful activities we are doing. So the biggest message from my side to all, especially to all the youths, to our friends, that no matter from where they are, my message is beyond every boundaries. Think you have lots of time. Just keep one thing in your mind, that we are the futures. We are born to change. We are born to fly. We are born to live, not just to exist. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. So, friends, our today's episode of this TSB show in share. I hope it will be very helpful for you guys. And a very thank to you, Mr. Anshu Kumar.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Mr. Anshu Kumar. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yes, thank you. Same to you.